Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 6, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals -18, and y equals 21.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 6 to x equals -18, the run is -24. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 21, the rise is 19.
Slope is rise divided by run, 19 over -24, which simplifies to -19 over 24. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is -19 over 24, x1 is 6, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.